have here for Thursday, July 2nd, 2026. Minor League Baseball scores for AAA, AA, High, Single A, Rookie Ball. So we have Fisher, June, first game, regular 18 for Rochester. Run in the first, run in the second, 2 in the fifth, 3 in the sixth, 3 in the seventh, 8 in the eighth. And then for Rochester, 1 in the fifth, 1 in the seventh, 1 in the eighth. That's 18-3 for the value over Rochester. Worcester, 7-5 for Syracuse. Durham, 6-3 over Net. The value over 9 Rochester. Louisville, 5-0 Columbus. Iowa, 6-4 to you. Syracuse, 7-3 Norfolk. Jacksonville, 5-4 Nashville Tongues. Albuquerque, 4-0 Rock. Memphis, 8-6 Charlotte. Indianapolis, 4-2 Omaha. Charlotte, 4-3-2 Oklahoma City. Charlotte, 3-2 Oklahoma City. Buffalo, 16-1 domination over St. Paul. And then Las Vegas, 8-4 Salt. Sacramento, 9-7 El Paso. Reno, 6-4 Tacoma. Then we have in the value, we have Otuna 10-3 Portland, Chesapeake 8-4 Bloomington, 8-4 Harrisburg Orchard, Erie 12-10 Akron, and then Hartford 8-6 Somerset Saints, Reading 10-4 New Hampshire, next 1-0 over Columbus, and then Roxy 16-6 Pensacola, Lexi 7-3 Chattanooga, Birmingham 11-4 Montgomery, and then 10-4 Frisco. Springfield 10-8 or Arkansas. 5-4 Corpus Christi. 12-11 Center Orchard. And then Centennial 7-3 Amarillo. And we have in Hawaii Wednesday 5-4 Greensboro. Bowling Green and Falls Greensboro 23-10. Greensboro 23-10 over Bowling Green. And then Lagos Michigan 9-0 Asheville 17-3 Upsea. Frederick 9-4 Brooklyn, Rome 8-4 Rishore, Dean 7-0 Ensign, Italy 9-7 Wilmington, Blake 13-5 over Slapin, Great Lakes 6-4 Ryan, and then Quad Cities 3-1 over Serapins, Wisconsin Falls Superior 6-2, and then Spokane 5-4 Hillsborough, Everett 4-2 Tracy, and the Marine Makeup Team Eugene Colorado. The only Canadian minor league baseball team in Vancouver. Tampa 7-5 St. Lucie, Jupiter 7-6 Dunham, Clear 4-2 Fort Myers, Dean 11-6 Barrington, Fayetteville 11-5 Halsey, Sam 16-10 Augusta, Kannapolis 12-6 Wilson, Marie 5-2 Hickory, Amara 3-2 Charleston, Ferrisburg 5-1 Columbia, Stockton 8-4 Osner, Southside 5-0 Chihuahua, Vizsla 14 in the pair, Ventura 12-10 Fresno, Palm Beach 7-6 in game wide doubleheader. Lakeland 1 in the first, 2 in the second, and then Palm Beach with 4 in the fourth. Both teams with 2 in the second, or sixth. Both teams got 2 in the sixth and 1 in the seventh. And that's a 7-6 win for Palm Beach or Lakeland. In the second game of doubleheader, Palm Beach wins 10-2 over Lakeland, 2 in the first for Lakeland, then only 2 runs in the game. And the Palm Beach scored 7 in the third, 3 in the fourth. And let's work well. So we have the American Summer League. We have the Blue Cubs Blue 9-4 Rojos. It's going to be complete June 16th, and then we'll meet up again. It's scheduled for 7. And their Cubs Blue did have the lead in last top. Didn't have the Cubs Blue. Actually got the lead in the top of the sixth, and the Rojos squad did not get the chance to match it. So in the bottom of sixth at least, so they're gonna replay the sixth, the bottom of sixth, and the seventh thing. It comes with 2 in the first, Rojos 2 in the third, 2 in the fourth, and the Cubs Blue 2 in the fourth, 6 in the sixth, and the Red Sox Blue is on 6-4 to LED Batista. That's 70 didn't even go the 4.5 minimum if the whole team was 1. And you have Red Sox Blue with 1, and then both teams 1 in the second. The Red Sox Blue with 2 in the third, 1 in the fourth. And then Batista with 5 in the third. And then the Dominican Summer League, that's complete on the 13th, and the Dominican Summer League complete on the 4th. 4th July 4th. And the Dominican Republic, it's not Independence Day there. This is try fourth. We have the Rays. 14-2 of the Braves. It's not 2-5 because the right team has the lead. It's 2-5. We have 9. It's 9 Rays with 10 runs in the first. Braves with 2 in the first, and then 3 in the second, 1 in the third for the Rays. And then the fifth, the Nationals 10-3 over Arizona Red. And it's going to be 16 9. Let's go for 9. Arizona Red with 2 in the first. And then my Nationals with 4 in the second, 5 in the third, 1 in the fourth. And then about the third, it's Reese's will compete on August 17th with Astros with errors, but Warrior is black with 5 in the first, 3 in the second, and then 1 in the seventh, 1 in the second, 7 in the third for the Astros blue. Like Tampa leaving a mission at 23.15. Tampa 13. Blue is blue, 12, 6 pairs of black. And then we had a rescheduled. Alright, 9 inning to 1 to 7. Is Red Sox Red 5-1 receiving Mendoza. Red Sox Red with 3 in the third, 1 in the fourth, 1 in the sixth, and Cleveland Mendoza 1 7th. Red White 7-1-7, 7-1-9. White Sox 4 at the Rivers 1-6. And this was scheduled for 7 but 5. The Red Cardinals got their chance to top of 6 but did not finish it, so they said through 6. The Cardinals 1 in the first, and the Bombers, and my Bombers 1 in the second, 3 in the third, 1 in the fourth. And then in the 5 innings, scheduled for 7. They went the minimum 5. That's orange. 6 in the second, 1 in the fourth, and then 4 in the fifth. And then Marlins with 2 in the third. And then Pirates Gold 5-4 over Reds. Innings was scheduled for 7. No, 1-8. In extra innings, it was 6-5 over Ventura. And then in 6 innings, it went to 5. It went through 5 minimum. But it went 6 because Carl got their chance in the top of the 6, but Reds wasn't able to. But it went to 5 minimum. And he had something Carl did. So, it was like it was tied. So, yep. And then 5-3 Carl Reds blue. 8 turns to 8-2-3 Ranky and Yankees in 6 innings. It was scheduled for 6.5. It was scheduled for 7 trains back, 6 to rotate on. Trains back with 2 in the first, 1 in the second, 1 in the third. Both teams with 2 in the fifth. And then Giants Orange fell to Coach 4-1. Went scheduled for 7-1-5. Full innings. Coach 4 in the fourth. Giants Orange 1 in the fifth. And Phillies Swiss and Ranger went 6 innings. Scheduled for 9. But finished. Returned to get their started to get bats and 7, but their Athletics with 1 in the first, 2 in the second, 2 in the fourth, and returned to 2 in the third. 9-5. Brewers Gold, Brewers Blue, and that makes it Brewers Blue 9-3 Pirates Gold. Brewers Blue 1 in the first, 1 in the second, 1 in the third, 1-4-4 Pirates Gold, and then 8 in the fifth for Brewers Blue, 8 in the fifth for Brewers Blue. That's the game. And then 5 innings. Esther Orange 10-1 over Pirates Brown. We're scheduled for 9-1-2-5. Esther's Orange with 10 in the first. And then Pirates Brown with 1 in the fifth. And then Sealy Burrows 9-6 over Brewers 1-6-1-2-5. Scheduled for 9-1-2. Then the Brewers go start in the sixth. Sealy Burrow with 1 in. Let's see, the Brewers go 1 in the first. Brewers go 3 in the fourth. And Seagull 1 in the third. Brewers go 1 in the fourth. Seagull 3 in the fourth. 5 in the fifth. And Mets went 3-2 Nationals in the Florida Complex. Pirates and Braves was scheduled for 7. They finished 5.5 innings. But they said it was through 6 because the Braves had the lead. Braves with 3 in the first. Both teams 1 in the fifth. Then Tigers 6-4 Yankees. Orioles 9-8 Twins. Phillies 7-2 Blues. Rays 1-4 Red Sox. And then Giants go 3-0 Brewers. Mariners 4-0 Rangers. Royals 4-0 Rockies. Rangers White Sox. Reds 7-6 Cubs. Diamondbacks 7-2 Ducks. Guardians 8-2 Dodgers. And then cancel the Rangers, Blue and Rockies. Due to lightning. Now I'm able to make it up. Don't have a scheduled off day where both these teams can play. Or they don't. Either that or they just don't meet up again this season. So they're not going to play. Make it up. And we have Rangers, Blue Rockies, Angels, Twins, Blue Jays, Pirates, Black. And then those are all canceled due to lightning. These are postponed due to rain. Is Mega and Tempe and the Mega Summer League. And postponed. Don't know when that's going to be made up. And then we'll see if they want to make it up later on a future date. Maybe to be determined. Maybe. And then in the Florida Complex League, Cardinals and Astros postponed. They're going to see if they can find a neutral off day. If they both Wednesday off day, if they both meet up, because they play Monday through Saturdays. They get Sundays off. The Complex Leagues to make it sort of because the Florida Complex League share with our single affiliate in Florida. Florida State League in Single. So they get Sundays off because they always play early in the day to do that. And then they'll make some of this as well. And then the Arizona Complex League, which plays later at night, late at 10 p.m.